This is the second part of the Recce build. It's finally done. So we're gonna check it out today and talk about what I did to it. Let's get started. I'm Easy B. Thanks for watching Easy B Tactical. If you're a member of my channel, you notice I posted a video a few months ago, which I'll link somewhere here, on my build that I was doing at the time, which was this Recce 12.5-inch rifle. And that was part one. I finally finished the build and I wanted to show today the final result real quick. No shooting footage yet because I've only sighted in. I've only taken it to be sighted in. It's needing a good class to attend to, a good more amount of shooting, and perhaps then I'll put follow-up videos on accuracy and just how it runs overall. So, but what I do need to do is shoot this more and hopefully get some training. I would love to do. Let's go through the details of the build. 12.5. So this was my 12.5-inch Recce build. I'd like to run these window mags. This one is actually also one I use on the Scar 1611. But I got, with the build, I got a few Lancer mags in that are clear and some mag pull with the window. Anyway, you saw the part list in the video, in the part one video, but I'll go over it again in case you're seeing this video for the first time. What I've done is I bought a Rosco manufacturing secret sauce, I believe Bloodline pack, yes. So it came with a 12.5-inch barrel, a BCG ball charging group, gas tube, and all together. I put a Midwest Industry charging handle, a little wide, not too wide. Surefire Warcomp muzzle adapter, because my idea was to have this suppressed, and I'm waiting for a Surefire RC2 mid-length can for this thing. It's gonna be a tight fit, which I tested at the range before, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep the handguard, because these are the Midwest Industry handguard that are meant to be fitting a suppressor almost recessed inside of them. But when I looked at when I used my Surefire with the ratcheting system, it's very tight and you barely have enough weight to push the lever on the Surefire can to release the suppressor. So we'll see if I keep this handguard or if I keep that suppressor. Maybe I was trying to have something that feels almost flushed in and that goes a little bit inside the handguard. So we will see. I did add a Midwest Industry QD mount because I like to run this 2-point sling on the AR type platform. I have a LaRue tactical grip, which is called the Rat, I believe. And then I have a LaRue tactical stock, and I think this one is the Rat. So I should know what I'm talking about because these are components that I chose, and I waited for a while. For a long time, I was waiting on the LaRue tactical stock and grip, which were out of stock. I like this stock because it reminds me of another trigger where you press it to pull it to release it. I use a Swamp Fox scope mount with a primary arms Griffin ACSS reticle, and I offset it with a Holosun HS47C so I can be moving to 45 degrees for close engagement, and the scope is for longer distance engagement. I don't want to say long range because technically long range is really far, right? 600 feet or more. The grip feels good. It's a little bit beefier, and that's why I went with this LaRue tactical grip. I'm usually okay with the Magpul type grip, but this one fits a little beefier. So if you're running and gunning and going slow from, I feel like it's a good purchase on your hand, right? The mag release, it's not ambidextrous yet, but eventually I think what I'm gonna do next is turn this a little bit more ambidextrous, use functionality. So perhaps ambidextrous safety mag release may not be, but maybe I'll do that. I do like the options to operate from both hands, even though I'm a right-handed shooter. And then that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will take it to the range. Well, I'll hope to take it to a class. I would love to take one of those classes like the Warrior Poet Society or any other good trainer out there that a few days in the bushes, you know, a few days in the jungle and playing around with this. That'll be fun. But that's another budget allocation for the games. But yeah, so far this is my Recce build. A few of you had asked me about the follow-up video, so here it is. I hope you enjoyed. Share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Oh, if this is your first time watching my channel, I usually try to post by Friday, either Thursday or Fridays, but today this is a Saturday. The week was busy with work, and since I have to pay the bills, I decided to just wait until Saturday morning. So enjoy yourself, stay safe. Thank you for watching.